Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I am going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is the 16th of November. Before we begin the video, let's listen to our opening music here. So friends, Nifty chart is wide open. Before that, coming to the previous day, the previous video we talked about hcltech for a buy. You see it straight fell down, okay, and I told you not to take any action if it crosses this levels. However, I don't expect any one of us to buy it here at this particular level. However, we could see a clear breakout here followed by a retest. Okay, any long position created at this retest with this as stop loss has achieved at least 1:1.5, friends. Okay, 1:1 is what we can expect, and we did get that kind of a profit in hcltech. Coming to bpcl, initially it gave a gap up. Any sell here, very good place to sell, and straight fall. Okay, perfect targets were somewhere here and perfect target achieved, no questions there. So basically both the stocks did do as we expected them to do, friends. And all the reasons for buy on hcltech and sell on bpcl are given in yesterday's video. Those of us who are really interested to make money and learn how to trade can go ahead and watch that video to get all the insights of these two stocks, friends. Coming to analysis of Nifty, we decided that if in case it is somewhere here is when we can buy. Okay, unfortunately it started moving down, all red candles straight till the bottom. Where was the bottom? The bottom was still this gap level, friends. This is a runaway gap as we discussed. Okay, whenever this kind of a runaway gap is created, okay, usually what happens is that acts like a support. You can see that it is acting like a support here, and from there it turned. Any trend line breakout here, okay, or any breakout like this, okay, gave clear cut targets, and we also discussed that we are bullish about Nifty and Bank Nifty, and that's exactly what happened. We closed above the previous day high. Okay, coming to Bank Nifty, similar story. In this case, we did not even reach the runaway gap. We did not even fill this gap, friends. Okay, and there was a clear trend line breakout here and a trend line breakout here, followed by a retest, followed by which there was clear uptrend, and we met all the targets upside, friends. Coming to the analysis for tomorrow, before that let me tell you, if you are liking the video, do give it a like and also hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you would not be missing on any videos or any updates that I am making, friends. That way you'll also get notifications of all the videos that I am making. Now, if you have made money in any of these two stocks like HP, BPCL or hcltech today, mention how many points you could capture. I am not asking how much money did you really make. I am just interested to know how many points you captured. That way I would know how much you people are able to follow what I am trying to say, friends. Hope you understood the logic. Coming to the stock for today, for the next day, that is tomorrow. And before that, what about Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow? So let's go ahead and delete all this. Now at this high, if you are looking at the global Qs, okay, global Qs are properly positive, friends. I'll just pull it up for you. See, you can see Nasdaq is about 2.5% high. Asian markets, Nifty is about 54 points up, 0.3%. and there is greenery all across, hardly anything red. FTSE, we can go ahead and ignore it. Other than that, all the global markets are positive. We are going to expect a gap up tomorrow. Okay, now gap up will be somewhere, we would never know where it starts, maybe 20 points, 30 points, 50 points, 100 points, we don't know. So at the gap up, what to do? We would not be taking any position at the gap up, friends. We would wait for some kind of retracement, and at the retracement levels is what we would go ahead and create our positions. How would we create positions? We would create only buy positions unless there is something very drastic that is getting it down. Now the sell positions can be created like we discussed yesterday. I gave you this level like this. This was the trend line for sell positions yesterday. It was something like probably this, or it was something like this, I guess. Okay, you can see this. So we closed here. No, this would not be. So as of now, if you look at it now, sell position would be created only at this breakdown or this breakdown. This is just to keep handy, friends. We are not going to create sell positions so easily because there is a big gap up that is expected. Any trend line break downwards is not a momentum that we can capture very easily. We are going to create only buy positions at a proper retracement levels. Hope that is very clear. Unless Nifty goes straight below this steeply and then retests this trend line is what we would not be able to, we would not be creating any kind of sell position. I hope I made it very clear. Coming to Bank Nifty, similar is the case. And Nifty is going to open about 40-50 points up as of now. Okay, some 50 points up. Bank Nifty is expected to open about 100 to 150 points up, which is 42,650 or 660 levels, friends. So from there, we can go ahead and draw a simple Fibo and wait for retracement for any of those levels which I mentioned. Say for example, we are opening at this level, okay, 680. Just for an example, we are not going to open there. I'm not predicting that. Okay, just for an example, if we are opening at 720 levels, now we will create our buy positions either at 612, 548 or at 496. These will be our buy positions. Will we go ahead and create sell positions to achieve these targets? The answer is no, not at all. Okay, only at retracements is what we will go ahead and create buy position. Now there is a chance of we retracing till here, friends, straight till this area, but in that case we would see trend line break, which would be this trend line. That's when at a retest of this trend line is what we would go ahead and create sell position. Will this happen? Am I expecting this? The answer is absolutely not. This may happen tomorrow probably because it's a weekly expiry, but day after tomorrow is what I meant. Okay, but tomorrow we are not going to expect any kind of sell side positions on Bank Nifty as well. We are bullish on the market for tomorrow as well. Coming to the buy stock for the day, it would be Hindalco, friends. It is in metal space. Hindalco. Reason is simple. See, this is a breakout. Okay, followed by huge retest. Okay, this was not expected. However, it started moving upwards again. Then this is a breakout again. Okay, this candle is your breakout candle, and this is again a breakout. Okay, all these three breakouts suggest us buy, and this is clear retest. Okay, when we create a buy position at this retest at around 458, 459, we can go ahead and achieve target of 1:2, friends. So where will our stop loss be? Our stop loss would be at 455. So 459 is what our entry is. 455 or 454 would be our stop loss, which is close to 5 rupees down, and our target would be 465 to 69, friends. 1:1.5 to 1 is to at least 1:1.5, friends. Coming to, and you can also see this, friends, Nifty has gone ahead and given a closure above the start, but in Hindalco the closure it was given was very close to start However, there was a clear-cut breakout. So it is strong. With that intention is what I am giving it as a buy. Coming to the sell stock for the day, that would be HUL, Hindustan Unilever. The reason is simple. We can see a pattern. This is a rising channel pattern. Okay. And also a clear-cut breakdown. Okay. There was an attempt to go down. Now when Nifty was outperforming towards the end of the day, we have seen a breakdown in Hindustan Unilever. Now tomorrow, because of the gap up, there is quite possibility that we see it at this top or even here. So that would be the best place for us to go ahead and sell. This is one of the resistance zone, which is 2474. Okay, you can see this level. So this is the resistance zone. You have been seeing that there are candles attempts to go above that, but the attempts are all failing, friends, and it is going down. Same thing happened here, and it's going down. Initially, if you look at it, if I draw this further, see, there was a break down and then it attempted to go up, but it again fell. Then it attempted to go up, it fell. Again an upward start, but it fell. An attempt to go up and fell. Attempt to go up and fall. So what has happened is this area, which is at around 257475, is acting like a resistance zone, and the stock is not able to go above that, and it has given a closing below that. So there is a chance for us to go ahead and book target still 2460, which is the bottom right now, and it can go further down, but then we cannot go ahead and predict how down it can go, because even on 1 minute charts we don't see, even on 1 day chart or 1 hour chart, we don't see any targets below that. So in such cases, what do? We go ahead and book profits at the top with at least 50% profit. Anything more than that is bonus, friends. Okay, that's how we would go ahead and create sell positions in HUL. I hope you understood the logic behind sell on HUL, buy on Hindalco. Yes, both the stocks starts with H. I know someone would say you are giving stock starting with H. It's not intentional, but that's how they came out. And we are bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty, both, friends. If you are creating buy positions, in my opinion, should be creating it in Nifty. And if you are looking for sell side, that's when we would look at Bank Nifty. That doesn't mean that you would go ahead and sell Bank Nifty and sit and buy Nifty and sit. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just telling you that when there is a sell position to be created, that would be in Bank Nifty, and when you are creating buy positions, create it in Nifty, friends. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give that like and also hit the subscribe button so that you would not be missing on any updates or videos that I'm posting on YouTube. And also please mention how many points you got because of the suggestion that I gave in hcltech and bpcl in the comments. That would give me encouragement to give you more such stocks, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead. And we close by our closing music, without which you know that the stocks will not really perform. Thanks for watching, friends.